Hey there, welcome back to the channel. My name is Dana Morris, and today I'm going to be unboxing these Artman Hero 9 batteries for this, and I'm going to be comparing the actual GoPro battery and seeing which one will last longer. So yeah, let's get unboxing. Okay, so here we go. We'll go ahead and open it up. First off, we see is a charger. It can hold 3 batteries right in the slots, and here's 3 batteries right here, and a little charger and some warranty cards. Anyways, we'll go ahead and open these up. So there you have it. What I'll go ahead and do is throw these in here and charge them till they're full, and then go ahead and do some recording on my GoPro and see how long they'll record. And also I'll do recording with a GoPro Hero 9 battery, see how long this will record. So I'm gonna go plug it in. So while those batteries are charging, I was gonna go ahead and show you this little battery I got for my Canon SL2. It's a LP-E17 battery by Artman. And I did some time comparisons with this Proto battery and this Canon battery for my Canon SL2, which I'm recording on right now. So this one recorded 1 hour and 10 minutes. This one recorded 1 hour and 50 minutes. This one recorded over 2 hours and 14 minutes. So that was really nice. Also, I got 2 of them with a little charger, and I have 1 of them in my camera right now. And this thing cost a fraction of the price compared to this one, which is like really expensive compared to the other ones. So that was really nice. Okay, so when I did an unboxing for my GoPro Hero 9, I got some accessories, but I didn't have them all, so I'll just go ahead and show you the ones I got since then. So this one's a suction cup by JOBY, and it's not like a GoPro one, but it is it's like really strong, like super strong. Anyways, what it does is, instead of having that little lever that you push down and it suctions it, you just twist this right here and it suctions it really nice. Also, one thing it has is a metal 1/4 inch part on there, so you can mount other things such as this, and I often put my camera on there just to have it nice and low, and it works really well. So yeah, I just wanted to show you that. And then another accessory I got was a little sleeve for the GoPro Hero 9, and it just fits on there nicely and it protects it from getting scratched and stuff. And also I got this little waterproof housing for my GoPro Hero 9. It fits in there nicely, but one thing I did notice is after a while it started leaking, and this thing is waterproof, but I guess if it leaks, it doesn't really serve any purpose besides keeping the dust or sand and whatnot out of the GoPro. So yeah, I wouldn't recommend getting this one. I don't even know the brand. It's not a GoPro brand, but I don't like it. Also, one more thing, there's a few methods of charging. So one way is just to charge it right here when there's a battery in here, or charge it through the big thing where it'll charge like 3 batteries at once. And another way is use a power bank, and you can plug it in right here and take videos while there's a battery in there, or it doesn't even matter if there's a battery in there, it'll still turn on and you can still take videos. So that's really handy to have a battery bank. Okay, so these batteries are fully charged. They'll show a little green LED light when they're done, so you can just go ahead and open it. This door will come off if you don't want it on there, and you can just go ahead and pull them out by these little tabs, just like that. And then we'll go ahead and test them out and see if they actually work. So you just slide them in like that, and we'll go ahead and try to turn it on. So turns on just fine, and it shows 100%, so that is good. So what I'm going to do is record in 4K 30 on this one, and I'm going to record in 4K 30 on the other battery too. I'm going to make sure they're both fully charged before I start recording. So yeah, I'm going to get a few timers out, and so I'll set it up and start recording. Okay, well the GoPro is at 100%, and I have an Artman battery in there, and I'm just going to press start right here and let it go. It's in 4K 30. Okay, well I just did a few tests with these batteries, and I did this Artman battery first. So the first result was 1 hour and 30 minutes on this Artman battery. I just pressed record until it stopped. My second test I did was this GoPro battery, and I got 1 hour and 40 minutes on this one. I did another test with another Artman battery, and I got 1 hour and 29 minutes. So these are around 1 hour and 30 minutes each. I also did one more test. I just threw in this GoPro Hero 3, and this thing recorded for 1 hour and 11 minutes before it shut off. But these batteries obviously are a lot bigger. So yeah, that's what the results are from these batteries. I also just wanted to say a big thanks to Artman for sending me these batteries to test them out and review them. So thanks Artman for sending me those. Anyways, I'll leave a link for these down below in the description for you to check out, and I'll maybe leave a couple links for different sets that you can get. Like this one is a 3 set. I actually bought, before that, I bought a 2 set and it came with a charger, but I'll leave a link for both of them. And yeah. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Feel free to subscribe right over there and watch this video right there. Till next time, have a good day.